The student wants to recount the sequence of events proposed by the researchers. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. If a moon orbiting a planet comes close enough to that planet, tidal forces can cause the moon to break apart. In a 2022 study, researchers proposed that Saturn was once orbited by a large moon they named Chrysalis. Their simulations indicated that Chrysalis would likely have come very close to Saturn around 160 million years ago. At that distance, Chrysalis would have been broken apart by tidal forces. The researchers hypothesized that the resulting debris formed Saturn's rings. So option choice A says, according to researchers' simulations, two events likely occurred around 160 million years ago. First, Chrysalis came very close to Saturn, and second, debris from Saturn's rings caused the moon to break apart. This is incorrect because, for one, it doesn't really recount the sequence of events, it simply lists two events that occurred 160 million years ago. And second, this misrepresents what was said in the text, where it said that the tidal forces broke Chrysalis apart, and this remnants formed the resulting debris, which formed the Saturn's rings. But instead, the option choice A says, and second, debris from Saturn's rings caused the moon to break apart, which is not true. So A can be eliminated. B. If a moon orbiting a planet like Saturn comes close enough to that planet, tidal forces can cause the moon to break apart. This is incorrect because although this is true in regards to what information is gathering from the notes, it is not related to the focus of the text, where the focus is in regards to recounting the sequence of events proposed by researchers. So because this doesn't recount a sequence of events proposed by the researchers, B can be eliminated. C. Around 160 million years ago, a large moon, Chrysalis, came close enough to Saturn that tidal forces broke the moon apart. Its debris then formed the planet's rings. This seems to be the correct answer because this properly highlights a sequence of events where it begins with 160 million years ago, and it highlights that there was a moon, Chrysalis, that came close enough to Saturn, whereon tidal forces broke the moon apart, and then that debris from the moon, then formed the planet's rings. So this seems to be the correct answer. D. First, researchers proposed that Saturn was orbited by a large moon, Chrysalis. Next, they conducted simulations, and finally they formed a hypothesis. This is incorrect, because although this recounts a sequence of events, this is recounting a sequence of events of what the researchers did, not what they proposed in regards to Chrysalis and how it formed the Saturn's rings. So D is incorrect. And with this, we're left with C as the correct answer.